Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing, and yes, I'm on a bit of an earbuds unboxing kick right now. And I actually bought these with my own money. These are the KZ ZST. Yeah, that's a mouthful of a name. KZ ZSTs. They are the cheapest high quality earbuds money can buy. So basically, if you are into audio like I am and you want really good sound quality, $20 will buy you these on Amazon. So let's have a look at them, shall we? This is the box. These are made in China. Here's some information about them. And so, yeah, I'm curious to see how they pan out. So we've got a little divider here. And then we've got the actual earbuds and a little thing here. So you're going to say, wait, are these wireless? No, they're wired, but they have a detachable cord, which makes them really nice. So $20, they're supposed to sound really great. There's passive noise reduction, as you can see here, from the little silicone tips, and they use a standard type. And then this is the connector here, as you can see, for plugging in the cable. I presume here is going to be the cable. So let's find that out. And yes, it looks like a really high quality, oxygen-free copper cable, which is what audiophiles really like. So this is, as you can see, tied here. And then we have a 3.5 millimeter connector at one end. Notice only 3-prong because there's no microphone on this setup. You can buy another cord with a microphone in line if you want for more money, but why do that? And so here are the gold-plated connectors. They are designed to hook over your ear, hence the design here. So I'm not quite sure which one is which, but basically they plug in like this. And then obviously on this other end, like that. So I assume that I've got them set up properly, but it could be the other way around. Not sure. I can't see any markings for left or right on these, so I'll have to double check to see which way they go. So that's it, folks. The KZ ZST $20 audiophile grade earbuds. If you're on a budget and you want really good sound quality, you don't care about a microphone, these are apparently the ones to go for. I haven't tested these, so I can't really endorse them and recommend them at this point, but I'll let you know how it works out. You also have some additional tips here for different sizes. I'm not going to take them out, but you get the idea. And then there is a little warranty card or whatever that is here at the bottom. What is that? Product warranty card. I was right. And 2 product warranty cards. And then, of course, a little user guide. KZ Acoustics. Safe use of headphones. Tells you everything you need to know here. So that's it. That's it, folks. Stay tuned for more videos on the channel soon. I guess I've been on a bit of a earbuds kick, but don't worry. I still get a whole bunch of phones coming soon. These are pretty funky looking though. Stay tuned for more then, and please subscribe, like the video, click the notification bell, tell your friends, comment in the comments below, and remember that I make these videos as a complement to my podcast, the Mobile Tech Podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com. So if you want to hear my thoughts on these products, you need to listen to the show. mobiletechpodcast.com, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Pocket Casts, Overcast, TuneIn Radio, Spotify, everywhere. Look for Mobile Tech Podcast, subscribe, tell your friends, etc. Please stay tuned for more videos soon, and until then, cheers everybody.